Dun 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 bum ba da dum bum ba da dum bum ba da dum bum ba da dum bum ba da dum. Good evening, everyone. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hey, Savage, I'm glad you see it. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Here we are, back again. Checked in the rec and let's begin. Pressed it? Nice. Accepted. He's on his way into the realm. Also, congrats on being the first one here. This is a little early tonight. As I said in the Discord, for those of you who watch the Discord, tonight was going to be an earlier than normal stream, and it's going to be a shorter than normal stream, kind of like last night, but this time without the kids. Just Dad tonight. The reason being that Dad has numerous other things going on tonight. It has been a very, very busy, starting at 4 a.m. this morning, and now here we are streaming, but we are going to keep the streak alive by continuing to stream one more day. Now, we have some development work that we want to do. Let's check the to-do list, everybody, and see where we are. According to the to-do lists, what do we got? It says you're not invited. You are clearly invited. I will show you. I'm clicking out invite to game. Add realm members. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Also, I forgot to update the date. What am I doing? Why did it not update my title? That's really weird. Whatever. Hey, Hard Snipe. How's it going? Members. I'm a savage right there. You have been invited, and you are actually on the list. So I don't know why you're not being allowed in. I can't explain that. I also don't know how it works, but you are definitely there. Okay, so. Oh, I was going to read the to-do list, and then I got distracted. What did the to-do list say? The to-do list is what matters in game development. More puzzles in Normal Town. That might be true. We're going to go look to see where that is in a minute. Hint book is well underway. Strawberry and finishing up Santa's house. We're running out of time on that one. We may have to do that on Strawberry's behalf. Finish up JJDB210's hideout. I might work on that tonight. We'll see what happens. Add Dots Pretzels to the game. We haven't done that. Maybe we should do that tonight. Player offline reset, world reset. We could work on that. Add more buttons. I think we did that. End zone needs Strawberry to finish first, and detector. We got some texture work to do. It could be because of the resource pack. You do have to have the resource pack to play on this world. It is a requirement. Savage. This is true. But you don't have to have RTX. You can play without RTX. So I'm not sure why you would be having trouble getting the pack. But RTX does make it look pretty. I kind of wanted to see this train station that Kale Forthman built. I don't know where he built it. Ooh, it's right over there. This was being built by Kale Forthman at the end of the last stream. It's kind of cool. Kind of a homemade railroad because the normal rails are there. And then, boom, you just can't go into the tunnel. I like it. I like it. Very, very Animal Crossing-esque. And hello, Charles, and thank you for redeeming Put on the Hat. And hello, Cheppy. Yes, yes, Cheppy is here. And then we've got some sea lanterns. So he's got like a button hidden right there. Yep. That's going to be a fun one for people to find, but that's what the hint book is for. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. So I think I find it interesting that it looks white from a distance. You see that? Like I get just out of range of the RTX. It switches to white. But here it looks great. Very beautiful. Okay. So, Cheppy, am I not talking or are you not talking? Or are we both not talking? That's the real question.
I haven't been talking.
You haven't been. I knew it. I knew it. You were silently lurking there.
I said hi as soon as you took your headphones off to put on your hat.
Oh, see, that's just a pro move to throw me off my game. But I like it a lot. How was your day, Chappie? Did you have a good day?
Yeah, it's fine.
Good, good.
How was your day?
It's been a day. I got poked and prodded but I'm okay. I'm healthy. Even had a nurse tell me today, keep doing what you're doing. So apparently my Dots, Pretzels, and Pepsi regimen is exactly the diet that the human body desires. That's how I interpreted that statement. So you heard it here first. Nurse approved, even though she didn't know what my diet consisted of. So there's that. No. Just for the record.
Like a checkup thing, or?
Yeah. It was. I wouldn't say routine for everybody, but it is a sad because of my genetics. It is a routine thing for me. And for older people, it's a routine thing. But I'm younger. Younger people shouldn't have this routine, but I have it because I am genetically inclined to die from something. I'm being very vague, I know. I don't know. I don't know if medical things are family friendly. Are medical things family friendly? They can be, but...
How do you get this present on top?
You gotta jump. It can be done. I'm telling you, it can be done. It hasn't been programmed yet, though, I don't think. Unless I did.
How do you jump up there?
Okay. Go to a corner.
Okay.
And then... Ugh! It's a maneuver, but it can be done.
Maybe it's because I have an elytra.
And no head. I think it's because you don't have a head. I could be wrong. But
Do I not have a head again?
Nope,
I don't understand.
For some reason, every time you load in, your head has been replaced with one of your arms. It's very tragic. Go two to the left.
Two to the left?
Yeah. No, sorry, your right.
Oh.
That one.
Here?
Yep, that one.
Oh.
See?
That is... No, you gotta put like a little bit more of a hint.
No. It's parkour. At its best.
But there's no obvious... Like...
Yes, but now that you know, it's easy, isn't it?
I mean...
Exactly.
Maybe.
Charles would have figured it out. Charles is a pro gamer.
How many more buttons do I have to program?
I don't know. Did Kevin's get programmed?
Yeah, I did Kevin's.
I mean, you don't have to do mine. I just was lazy and I hadn't done it yet. But if you want to, you're welcome to. I must already have Kevin's. I'm gonna go push the one on the top of the tree.
So number 11 is the train station, I think.
I lost the book, so maybe. We should have like a backup book.
I have the book.
No.
It goes up to 10, and I added 11, which is the train station, I believe.
Wow, I just managed to magically hit the, I'm pretty sure the rail right here. Yeah. Oh, that's funny. Flying through, hit an invisible rail, get stuck. Oh,
yeah, train station is number 11.
We also have to work on the end game. Should we listen to a little pig step? Are we due for pig step? Pig step. Why doesn't it show up in my search disk? There we go.
So where else do we have other ones? We have one in the snow globe?
Yep. One in the snow globe. Welcome to Gaming with Dad. This is GWTD Radio. Break it down. Yeah. Listen to those jams. We're laying down the beat while making an adventure map. Ain't that neat?
Button 12.
Okay, sorry. I get carried away when I hear beat. It's just my thing.
Hey, poor me.
Hello, poor me. How's it going? I feel like I haven't heard your name or voice in months.
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 Yep.
Months.
Possibly
I
even
haven't-
years.
I don't show up for one day, and this is what I get.
I know it was a long day though, so I lose track of time easily. I might even for all I know it's not Friday. Actually,
I really hope it's Friday.
this is where I like my brain. Oh, Hard Snipe, thank you for the 5 bits. I appreciate it. My brain is so messed up right now. Like I don't even have an idea of whether or not I am or am not on winter break. Which I know winter break isn't a thing in the corporate world per se, but you know, my primary clients are schools, so winter break is a real thing, right? But next week, my primary school does not have school. My second primary school does not have school. My third primary school does have school, and my kids have school. So it's throwing me off. I don't know, is Monday a holiday or not a holiday? And I don't think it's going
Do
to be.
you only have 3 schools?
I have 4. Did I let? Oh, the fourth one. The fourth one I tend not to pay attention to, but they also don't have school. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, okay.
So it's just weird. It's throwing me off. Particularly the one about my kids having school. That's the one that's really throwing me off. How do my kids go to school? Easy. Their district has school next week. It's how it works. See how lucky you are going to the school you go to, Savage? You don't have school Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday next week. I think they have school Monday, Tuesday. I think my other school has school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, which is really funny because that school, they're throwing like some sort of teacher party on Tuesday, and like the teachers aren't going to want to come back to work on Wednesday, and you know everybody's just going to be checked out completely by then. Like I feel like people are checked out already. But man, it's gonna be bad next week if you got to work. You know what?
I only have to work for 2 days.
See, there you go. I don't know when my wife stops either. I know she took all of next week off, but I don't know what that means for me, or if she took. Not when I say next week, I don't mean Monday through Friday next week. I mean the week after that week, the 28th to whatever she has off. So
That's
figure
definitely the week to take off.
Yeah, it's a good week. Everybody. So the funny part is like people who work those weeks, it's actually kind of a brilliant week to work too because nobody expects anything to get done. So it's on one hand, I'd rather use the vacation days when I can actually get out of doing work. On the other hand, you know, not being expected to work those days is probably key as well. So, I don't know.
Good point.
Good job getting good grades. That's an important thing.
Is 10 on the ground? I think that's what it is. I think.
Okay. I'm going to switch to doing textures
Total 1.
for a moment because
Set
I actually want to be at least a little productive in what will be a shortened episode,
Yes.
likely. So let me get in that mode real quick. I still now I'm gonna have pig step in my head all night long.
Set 1.
Dun, dun,
Total
dun, dun.
1. Okay.
There's my hard drive, everybody. Isn't that amazing? Development resource packs, version 12. Let's make that go away real quick. We'll put it in today's working folder. Math is your best subject, but is it because you're finding it more difficult, or is it because you're bored, or is it just because you don't like homework? I had a year where I had really bad grades because I failed to show up to lecture every week. that pretty much sealed my coffin.
That would do it.
Yeah, COVID will have an impact. Online learning is not for everyone, that is for sure. Now, see, the weird part is I'd probably be in the opposite boat. Online learning is my preferred way of learning. Like, I would love to be doing that, but yeah, it's weird. It's weird how people learn different ways, and schools can't always take advantage of that, which is a bummer. Like, some people are audiovisual learners, some people are book learners, some people are computer-driven learners. Like, I don't know why it is, but like learning a programming language, I'm way better learning a programming language. Well, I guess maybe this makes sense. Learning a programming language, sitting in front of a computer with like a tutorial and being able to test it and run through it than I am like sitting in a classroom reading a book. Like, I want to be in front of a terminal, writing code, trying things out, experimenting, putting semicolons in the wrong place. I learn way faster programming that way than I do ever in a lecture hall. Now, some programming concepts, lecture hall, works out for me. But that's about it. Okay, so I'm in the blocks file. What, let me go look at the to-do list again one more time. So we need to detector rail texture and the activator rail texture are missing, are not in here yet. So we need to do that still. Guys, I don't think I've said this enough. We have done an amazing job for being 24, I mean, not even 24 days. We've stuck with this project, which I think is cool. But I am like, the number of times we've bailed on a project at some point, like after 3 days of it, like it's happened. Like look at the river cruise. We haven't gone back to the river cruise yet. It's not that we haven't finished it. It's just that we haven't finished it. And now I kind of want to go back and do that, but I need to add some like additional stuff now. I need to add programming to it. And I don't know if Ninja Weasel's going to be okay with that. Also, thank you for the 10 bits, Hard Snipe. And the 3 bits that I missed a moment ago. Thank you for the 18 total bits this episode. I appreciate it. I've been debating whether or not I want to transition this stream to starting to beg for money. I mean, not beg, but make that a bigger deal around here. Like have the little, names going across the bottom and sub awards and all that. Do you watch my stream, people who are watching? Do you watch specifically because I don't have that? Or do you like that thing so you can be recognized on the stream all day, every day? If it, like that kind of thing, because I think that's probably the biggest thing I'm missing to encourage things like subs and stuff like that. That, and I probably need to get some bit emotes and stuff like that. But
Hey, I know a guy.
you know a guy?
I know a guy.
What guy do you know?
Mad Spike.
Mad Spike.
Oh, and Penguinian.
And
does
Penguinian.
art too.
Pets for Whale Lord.
Penguinian wants pets.
That makes sense, Hard Snipe. I do appreciate that. I appreciate knowing why you watch. Okay, so this says rail activator is blank, rail activator is blank. Rail detector. Is that the one? We're missing these 2 rail detector ones. Is that the problem?
The detector rail, and there's also the activator rail.
Powered.
I
The
think-
powered activator. The regular activator rail is invisible. The powered activator rail.
Maybe, I don't know.
I'm just
I
looking
can
at
go
what I
check
have
quick.
here. No, it's okay. I'm just bringing them over to the pack.
Yeah, the powered activator is
Looks like that.
looks
Nothing.
like the regular one.
Okay.
But the unpowered one is not.
Boom. Okay, so that one's now invisible, not on the realm, just in the pack. I'm just making the changes. Pets for Whaler. What should... So this is the other question. I've got like 6 emote slots that we're not using, and I've completely failed to acknowledge. I've got the tier 2 bit emote. I've got the tier 3 bit emote. I don't expect anybody... Or not bit emote. Tier 2 and tier 3...
Sub emote.
Sub emote. Thank you. Those I'm not overly worried about doing because nobody's subbed at those levels, and I don't expect people to sub it. Please don't sub at those levels. Please don't. I would rather you gift subs to other people if you're going to do something like that. Because there's no benefit. There's no benefit to you to go to a tier 2 sub, other than maybe more pretzels. But let's be honest. Ever since I took away Feed the Kids, nobody cares about pretzels anymore. Except for Charles, who I appreciate making me wear the hat every episode because it's become a brand thing. So there's those two emotes. But then I have what are they? The bit emotes, like the 1-bit emote and like the 5-bit emote and the 10-bit emote and the 100-bit emote and the 1,000-bit emote and the 10,000-bit emote and the 50,000-bit emote. I don't know. That's like 6 emotes right there or whatever that we need to fill in. And I don't even know what I want them to be. Like what do we need? Do we need a Penguin emote? I mean, Penguin's affiliate now. Penguin has their own emote, right?
I don't think Penguin is affiliate yet.
Oh, are you not affiliate? We got to get Penguin to affiliate. What do you need, Penguin? More
That's what I'm
streams.
saying.
She needs more streams. That's what she needs. She was streaming last night, you guys. Did you follow her at 12:30 at night? No? Were you like me? You were sleeping? I don't blame you. But guess what? She's probably going to stream a lot more over break because she won't have homework. Now, I'm not committing her to doing that. I'm just encouraging it by implying that it might happen. Also, if you didn't see in our Discord, you should definitely go give her a follow regardless. That way you know if she streams more. Because you never know. There might be a holiday baking stream, and a holiday baking stream would be epic. We don't have holiday baking streams. We could use a holiday baking stream. More holiday baking streams. It's what the world needs. Hello, Cassandra. Welcome on into our shorter than normal stream, but we're here celebrating the day. Whatever today may be. Okay, so... Okay, I think that was that item on the to-do list, so I'm gonna edit that. I was really hoping... that's detector rail, activator rail, texture. So this one is done. Woo! Okay, add dots pretzels to the game. Okay, that's a big deal. We gotta get this right. How many ways and in what ways do we want to add dots pretzels to the game? I'm thinking dots pretzels should be an item as opposed to a painting, because you can't carry a painting around in your hand and you can't eat it. So I think we gotta change a food, right? Like, doesn't that just make sense? If we're gonna manipulate dots pretzels, or if we're gonna add dots pretzels to the game, what item does it end up being? What is dots pretzels most like? Beef? What food gives you the most health? Golden apples? I don't know if I want
golden carrots.
Golden carrots are in use in our game, though. We don't want to replace golden carrots.
Steak is pretty good. Gives 4 hunger.
Makes sense, Cassandra. Steak. For steak would be good. Bread. That's bread. Bread is what it was on MCOT. Bread's not a horrible option, but then we could have like holiday breads. If we're gonna try to rebuild that cooking mechanic, bread would be a good one for the cooking thing. I should add a table too. Is that what you're saying there, Heart Snipe? An actual table? We could do that. Cooked steak. Cooked steak. That is my leading candidate. Is there a better candidate?
Yeah, then you could get like unrefined dots pretzel or something and then cook it. Or pretzel
Regular
dough.
pretzels and then dots pretzels.
Yeah. Or unseasoned pretzels. And then you put it into a seasoner and it...
This is intriguing. Okay, so... Wait, now I'm... What? But we could only do that with one thing. Right? Or no, we could. Are there things that only cook in... So we've got the oven. Are there things that only cook in not ovens?
No, you can smelt everything with the furnace.
Okay, so but can you smelt everything in the meat smelter?
No, you can only cook food with the smoker.
Okay. Is there any other cooking mechanism besides the smoker that I'm forgetting about?
There's the blast furnace or whatever, the one that uh, smelts ores twice as fast.
Okay, so there's the one that smelts ores, there's the furnace, and then there's the smoker.
Yep.
Okay, so the smoker. Is there anything that can be eaten that can go through the
Blast
furnace? Maybe we just tweak the
No,
blast
'cause I
furnace.
think it's just all ores. Oh yeah, there's a campfire too. You can put raw food on the campfire and it'll cook it after a
Yeah.
minute or so.
Campfire wouldn't be a horrible idea, except for one, it's in use, and two, I don't know that I could change the texture the way I want. Okay,
So
so
soul campfire, which is I don't think it's in use. Oh wait, maybe Eloise has it in
yeah, maybe.
her shop.
So what if we use the beef, the smoker? So the smoker can do beef. Is that right?
Yeah,
So what if we make the smoker the dots seasoner? We could do that, right?
that could work.
Okay, and then the furnace can just stay an oven. I think that'd be fine. Sandra, my day was pretty good. It was long, but good. Can't complain too much. I'm just trying to think. So we gotta go out. We gotta find. What would Dot's pretzels look like? Let's use this window. Boom, boom. So images.google Dot's pretzels. So what if we did? Tempted to actually use the bag graphic. But then what would the non-seasoned pretzel be?
Could have be like pretzel dough or something.
Ooh, that's a good idea. I like that idea.
Just like a little mound of something. Raw dough. There you go. Parmesan bread bites.
I don't know
or
what
cinnamon
Barney
bread
is
bites.
doing there. Hey, Zong, by the way. That's the old bag. I think this bag might actually work best, though, because it's square. Let's copy that image. Let's go over to Photoshop. I think it's going to get mad at me. Yeah, I knew it was going to do that. Save image as. It's a nice high-res image. We can work with that. And then here we go. We drag this over. Oh, that's really tiny.
Not very many pixels.
This is true. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that yet. I mean, if you know what it is, it's not horrible, but it's not great.
If you know what it is, then it's not horrible. Yes. Can you just make it bigger?
I don't know. Like, can I make it a high resolution texture?
Just try and make it a high resolution texture.
So, I could be wrong, but I think that was also technically something that was added in as part of the RTX texture pack. But I don't know.
It was.
High resolution textures, Minecraft, Bedrock. I don't know how.
Like,
how
can
they
you
work.
just-
I just don't know how they work. Like I don't know if it's just as
Yeah.
simple as saving over it or if I actually have to up.
Because when I was messing around with the villager skins, I accidentally made one bigger. And I think it worked.
Okay, well let's try it. So image size, it's currently
Hey, silver
16.
down.
Let's go to 64.
19th day. Almost done.
Oh, yeah, I moved a whole day ahead. You're right. Today's the 18th. Man, I'm just messing up everything today. Am I on the wrong episode number then too? Nope. It's not a day
278.
ahead. This is why I want to stop keeping track of dates and item numbers. I'm so bad at it. So bad. But thank you, Silverdown. I've changed it. It is now somewhat correct, maybe. So now it's 64 by 64.
Instead of 16 by 16?
Yeah, I'm just gonna try it. We'll see what this does. I have no idea what it will do.
With the same stake? Or are you gonna put a Dots pretzel?
I'm putting the dots pretzel in. It's just multiple steps. And I just screwed it up. Me and my amazing Photoshop skills. Do 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 do.
That is a lot of resizing.
Yeah, there's a better way to do this, but I'm being silly.
Can you just right click it and say resize to a certain dimension?
Yeah, I could have just typed it in up here too, but
Oh.
there were options. I just didn't take them. Boom. Okay, so there's Dots Pretzels. No stake behind it. File. Export. Save for web. PNG 8. That sounds good to me. And we're going to save it to the magical spot on the desktop. And then we go to that shortcut. Nope, that shortcut's broken. That one's broken. That one's broken. That one's not broken. But I'm also in the wrong pack. So we go into... Oh. Where's all my good pack or good shortcuts? Oh, that's frustrating. I need a new good shortcut. Users, Justin. Where's my app data? Local. Microsoft. Nope, that's not right. Is it packages? Packages. Packages. Microsoft.Minecraft. It's sad that I know this at this point. Local. Gamescom. Development resource packs. That's like 18 million folders deep. Textures. Blocks. Nope. Items. Save. Okay, beef cooked is now in theory in the pack. So I'm going to load and make sure I'm on the right version. You found a show documentary for Rich and Cheesy? What kind of documentary?
Is it about the rich dairy farmers? Rip-off brand Dots?
Could work. We could use cheese nips. It'd be the cheese nip to better snack maker. And you put the cheese nips in and you get Dots pretzels out.
Oh, that would be funny.
Dems be fighting words to some people. I feel like I should do
Snack
it.
upgrader.
Snack upgrader. Put cheese nips in. I like it. I like it. It's simple in concept. I'll use Christie's cheese nips though, just to bring the point home. Steak. It's what's for dinner. Beef. It's what's for dinner. Cooked beef. That doesn't look like Dots pretzels. The history of bad words. Yeah, he'd probably enjoy that. Oh, game capture. Yeah, I'll flip back. We're playing around with textures though, so it gets really annoying to bounce between them. But I will flip back here in a second. Edit. Thank you though. What pack do I have active? Deactivate. What pack do I want active? I don't really know. I'm gonna back out and I'm gonna pick a different one. I'm gonna rename the one I've got.
You have like 4?
I've got like 100.
Oh, what?
Yeah, I keep versioning them, and it's a thing. Manifest.json. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make this 12.18, right? Is that today's date now? Yep. 12.18. We're gonna change the ID number again. I feel like I deleted more numbers there than I intended. There we go. And 18. Save. We close that. We hit edit. And then we hit resource packs. We hit active. We hit deactivate. We hit my packs. We hit 12.18. We hit activate. We hit play. There, it shouldn't be laggy anymore for you. At least for the moment. Oh, that looks like Dots Pretzels without the transparency. And actually, that texture doesn't look half bad. That looks like it's a high-res texture, right?
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Okay, so...
Definitely not 16 by 16.
Yeah, so now let's do this. Let's try something. I want to go into video. And I'm going to shut off...
It has a white
The ray
border, though?
tracing.
That's kind of weird.
Still works. That's the transparency going bad.
Oh.
I can figure something out there. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful.
What if you tossed it on the ground? I like how there's like little particles floating around.
Good old-fashioned
That
Dots
looks
Pretzels.
pretty good.
Yeah. Should I go higher? Should I go to like 128? See how far we can push it?
Can you read it?
I can read that.
I think it's fine.
Dots Pretzels.
Otherwise, it'll stick out too much,
It'll be too crisp.
right? Too crisp. You gotta have Beta 64, like in the little shop there. He's the one that has to upgrade the snacks.
I think that's true. I think this is where our upgrader will go. So we did it. Should we do it like we did the other one, like the carrots? Should I make it a big device?
If you want to do that,
Uh-oh, Cheppy went robotic. Is that me?
Rip Cheppy.
Oh, it's Cheppy. It's not me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Robot, get him off. How's it going, Rich and Cheesy? Have you heard any more from our other counterpart? I did reply to the email this time, for the record. I'm just saying. I'm a little concerned because I have a football game that I plan to watch tonight, but I can maybe cut out and watch it at the same time. But the answer is no. Okay. You know who I'm talking about now. What? Funnel? Okay. Well, hi. Hope you're doing well, Rich and Cheesy. For those of you who don't know who Rich and Cheesy is, Rich and Cheesy is another awesome, not quite family-friendly all the time streamer, but he is epic in every way. If you're not already following Rich and Cheesy, go give Rich and Cheesy a follow. He streams much later at night than I do. Occasionally, you'll hear my voice there. Not so much lately because I go to bed and watch baking shows. But, you know, it's what you do for fun. Debating ordering pizza. Well, it is Friday. I wouldn't blame you for ordering. Oh, I could order a pizza. That's a brilliant idea. My kids kind of had dinner. I could do that. It'd be mean, but I could. Link would be so mad at me. What's those funnel thingies called? Welcome back.
Hoppers.
Hopper, thank you. Yo quiero Taco Bell. Are you having Baja Blast? Because that's my favorite part of Taco Bell. The Baja Blast.
Mm-mm.
I wasn't talking. You don't think that's the best part of Taco
Mm-mm.
Bell?
Mm-mm.
No. What's
No.
what's the best part
It's
of
not
Taco?
even the best beverage.
What's the best beverage?
The orange mango whatever kickstart.
Oh well, but it's not. Maybe
It's not the
it's not the
yeah.
original Taco Bell flavor. That's the thing. It's. But I know what you're talking about. I know what you're talking, and that is a good flavor too. What happened? Nothing happened. Nothing happened. We are working on various things here. We are moving between various projects as part of our project. Is that a is it a block, you think? That's a block, right? The blast furnace? Blast furnace. Yes, it is. Blast furnace on side. We'll just copy all of them. We need all of them. It's important.
The blast furnace is for the ore, not the food.
You're right. I don't want a blast furnace. I want a smoker. Thanks, Cheppy. Would have been funny. I go to all this work to retexture it and put it in completely the wrong spot. Sounds just like me. It's a block though. Textures blocks.
Good thing you got revision control.
Exactly. Some version of that. Ooh, wild strawberry freeze. That's also good. Taco Bell has all the best flavors, except pizza. They don't make a very good pizza.
I've heard it's okay.
They have pizza?
Mexican
Occasionally.
pizza.
Yeah. Sometimes they're like right
They
next
used to
door.
be.
Yeah, sometimes they're bundled with Pizza Huts. I think. I
Oh.
think it's Pizza Hut. Yeah.
Well, it's the same
definitely Pizza Hut.
owner. Yeah.
Yeah, occasionally they're bundled at the same place, and you order from the same window. It's not exactly Pizza Hut. I mean, it's not exactly pizza at a Taco Bell, but it counts. I decided it counts, so it counts.
I mean, they do have like Mexican pizza at Taco Bell. That's the thing.
This is true, too.
It used to be on the dollar menu. And then it wasn't.
Yep. There's also KFC Taco Bells, too. You are correct. They both exist.
Same company still,
Yep.
or parent company technically.
What is the parent company?
PepsiCo?
No.
Frito-Lay? I don't know.
Yum Brands.
What other subsidiaries do they have?
KFC, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, Wing Street. They used to own Long John Silver's and A&W.
What does a snack upgrader look like? Snack upgrader. I feel like it should look really childish. None of those make sense. Okay, so maybe gaudy bright red
Maybe like an oven.
with a window in the front. I mean, we've put so much effort into all the other textures. Why would I make this one look bad, other than for the meme? I mean, that's the real question, right? Here's what we're gonna do. Yep, we are retexturing live.
Oh,
Okay.
you gotta have the same colors as the Nintendo 64 cube.
Okay, so we can try to do that. So this is where the fire is on the other one. I don't know that I care. Retint it to red. I mean, we could do that. It kind of looks like one of those monsters from Monsters Inc. Maybe a little less red. Maybe like that. Oh, that's funny. Okay, but the important thing is it's got to say the word. So snack, and we'll just make the font size a little smaller and maybe put it in like dark black. snack, and then down here. Well, that's where the fire is going to go. So, snack. Ah, gosh. Can't click. Click. Upgrader. Is there a better word for upgrade that's shorter? Oops. Snack.
Pants.
What was that? Pants?
Yep, pants.
Snack pants? That doesn't make any sense. Enhance? Oh, enhance. That might make more sense than pants. But enhance.
Snack plus plus.
Snack better better
Thesaurus.com.
snack better up snack.
Up snacker.
Up. Ooh, I like that. Up snacker. Up snacker like that. That could work. Do 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 do. I don't know how that makes any sense, but I like to believe that it does. It's got some sort of weird texture to it. None of this lowercase stuff? Okay. You've convinced me. Up. I wonder if I have a more 8-bit font. Snacker. And then maybe SNES. Oh, see, now that doesn't work. Tetris blocks? No, that won't work. It's weird that those are like my common fonts used. Emoji 1? Interesting. Make it blue or gold? Okay. Let's see. We'll try gold first. I'm just trying to see if there's a font, like an 8-bit. Do I have an 8-bit font? I have too many fonts. Impact. No. The smoker, not the text. Oh, that does change things. Why blue? But I'm all for it. We can try blue. Gold could work though too. I could see gold working. Here, that's the fancy font right there. The up snacker. It's very I don't know. I kind of like the other font better. It stands out more. That's not what I wanted to change. See, it doesn't have enough metallic in it. Let's try blue. Make it look like a conveyor belt. Now you're asking for really complicated things. Let's see. Back to the font. The font is not right. I think we might have been better off with whatever it was we were using. Oh, it is Nintendo's font. Up snacker. See, that's Nintendo. Who would have thought that the Nintendo font would work? Up snacker. And then let's set it to none. Oh, there we go. See, now we can go to 12. Oh, see, that's not quite right though. Let's go back to 11.5 and then strong. There we go. That could work. Okay, I'm not convinced about the color though on this. I think I liked it better red. I think red oddly worked. But we gotta like give the font just a little bit more pop. I'm thinking like the classic outer shadow, not that one, drop shadow. Boom, but we make it white. We angle it that direction. We give it a spread of 0. Where's the hardness? Nope, it's not that one. It's not that one. I'm missing something here. I need like 1.5. There we go. That'll work. The up snacker. Why didn't you make the fire green then when it's cooking? Ooh. See, now you're thinking big. Okay. So we copy that. We do a file. I think we can just do a save. Nope, we can't. File, export, save for web. Save. Textures, blocks. Save. Okay, then we go to the smoker front, and then we paste this 3 times. Nope, we need to do something first. What did we do here? Image size, 64. We need to fix that first. Image size, we need nearest neighbor, hard edges, 64. Perfect. Okay, then we zoom out. Then we go over here. We do edit, copy merged. We do paste. We drag it up. We do it again. Drag it up. Do it again. Drag that one down. Why are we off a pixel? I don't want to be off a pixel. Must be this top one. There we go. Okay, then we're going to change the opacity of the top one just for a second. And we're going to cut out this area right here. And we're going to do that again right here. Boom. And then we're going to do it again right there. Perfect. Then we're going to up the opacity again, back to full. I don't know. I don't think I used the opacity at all for this. And then you want green fire, you say. Okay. Try to make that happen. Green fire. Boom. But we have to go to color, like that. And then we'll just do this. We'll duplicate, and duplicate. And we'll drag it. Green. Wait, oh, we can't. Oh, yeah, we can. We can do what I just did there. That's fine. For some reason, it's rendering funny. That's okay. Okay, so then we do file, export, save for web, save. I think we're in the right folder, so we'll do this. Then we go back to Minecraft. We shut off the display capture. We leave. We save and quit. Where's Link? I don't know. Hopefully getting ready to watch a Nebraska football game, because that's what I'm going to be doing shortly. Because I've heard nothing about game night. So at this point, I am assuming game night is off in favor of watching Nebraska football. Can I make a link to download this texture pack when it's done? I'm going to make a link to download the world. I suppose I'm not going to protect the world, so yes. Then you can take the world with it. Ding, ding. But yeah, we'll make it all available. That's the plan. We're releasing at Christmas Eve or day. I'm not really sure. Do we release it Christmas Eve or Christmas Day? Also, we should add David V. Kimball to the game. We haven't done that yet either. 20. Add David and Essie to the game. I just feel like we need to. Why am I here? Oh, this is the actual server. Dun, dun, dun. Did I lose Cheppy and poor me? Did they go off to have dinner?
No,
Oh, you just got bored of my texture talk?
I'm researching.
Okay.
Kind of.
What are you researching?
How to build a bookshelf.
Secret bookshelf?
Not secret bookshelf. Bookshelf
That
with
would be
books.
so cool. You put it in front of your basement
Don't
down to the crawl
make
space,
me.
and then just like opens up, and then bam,
Secret bookshelf.
basement.
That would be kind of an odd place for a bookshelf, though, wouldn't it?
It would fit
Right
in.
off the garage.
No one would question it.
No one would. All right, I'm doing it.
No one would question it.
Okay. All right, I'm
Don't
doing
you
it.
think? Don't
I'm
you
doing
think?
it.
All right,
You made me.
it's a good
Gotta do it
idea.
now.
Okay, so we put
Aye.
we put the cheese nips in. We have to take the dots pretzels out first, though. That's the important thing. Wait, can you not do this with a smoker? Does it go like straight in the top? Is that my problem?
The side port goes into the fuel slot, so you have to put a
Yeah.
hopper in the top.
In the top. I don't like this idea as much as I once did, but it's okay. We do it all for the textures. Where I need a chest.
You could just use the hopper for testing.
I could, but that's no fun. I build to
Are you building this on the realm?
no. This is
Okay.
because I don't want to load the texture pack over and over again. That gets really annoying. Oh, we can't do that either.
Oh, because the roof. What
Yeah.
you could do. Let's see, what could you do?
I can't put the hopper off to the side.
You could put the hopper down in the ground. Like move the whole thing down one.
Yeah. What if we just do away with the giant engine and we just put up snackers on the ground? Up. Wait, they're not called up. They're called smokers still. Oh, I already have
Up
them.
snacker.
Got to rename them. Put the raw beef and the coal. Where's the coal? Coal's on the ground. Coal. So you put beef in the up snacker. Boom. There's your green flame. Got some green flame. And there's your dots pretzels. It works.
I like the green flame.
So we should probably retexture the sides just to make it match. This maybe changes Beta's language here. What does Beta currently say? I wish I had a better snack than cheese nips to eat.
You could just call them like orange squares.
Can we make them trade?
No.
I wish we could do
But
like
you
that
could
grandma.
have him give you the cheese nips.
Oh, how would I do that?
Command.
Give player, but then so we still need a result for. You know what? Let's not make Beta say something he wouldn't say. We'll have him say this. There is nothing better than cheese nips Whatever you do, do not put cheese nips in the up snacker. The result might be too powerful. That
The
could work.
fuel's got to be Jones soda or something.
That's a good idea. Is there a way with a command block we can make sure that this thing always has fuel?
You could put a hopper behind it with fuel in it.
But how did the unlimited thing work over here?
I mean, you could just have a repeat command block running to clone a full hopper of fuel in there, like once a minute or once every 10 minutes or something.
Okay, so hopper. Boom. So that'll be where the hopper is, and then I gotta have like a command block to put it in there.
So you have to have 2 hoppers. One that is the location where you want to clone, and one where you want to base your cloned item off of.
We're making this really
It's like
complicated.
one.
No, I
It's
know.
only one command.
I know. I'm just so like I need to go under it and put another hopper and then a command block.
Yeah.
I can't just do the same magic with the smoker,
You could.
but it would wipe out the inbound on the smoker.
There's a chance it would wipe out whatever it's cooking and whatever's in the output slot.
Okay, so coal.
You have to make sure the hoppers are facing the same way too.
They are, I think.
You could also use like coal blocks or something that it's gonna take forever to run out.
Okay, yep, it's there. So I'm just gonna fill it up with Jones soda. What would be so cool, Penguinian? What did I not see? Did Penguinian say something would be so
Secret
cool?
bookshelf.
Oh, a secret bookshelf. That's true. I don't know if you can put lava in the smoker. Should we find out?
Maybe. But I still think a stack of coal blocks would be more fuel dense than
You can.
lava buckets.
Yeah, but I think coal makes for a better... what's the term I'm looking for? A better item in
That's
terms
fair.
of texture. Okay, and then I need one command block, you said?
Yep.
Command block. Command... I can't do it that way. I gotta do it like... I'll just do that one. Doesn't matter where I put it, right? Anywhere I want.
I mean, just has to be within the like loaded area of the items.
Yep. Okay. So what's the command, my friend? Clone?
So if you, yeah, clone blocks or clone. You could get the coordinates of the full hopper. So then you need /clone, and then there's a beginning and end XYZ.
Yep.
And since you're only cloning one block, you just put the same coordinates twice.
Okay, so 1421, comma 61, comma 527, and then it's got to be cloned to...
Do you know the trick for getting the coordinates of the block you're looking at?
I don't.
Do you want to learn it?
Sure.
So if you look at the block, then you open your chat, whatever, and type /fill, then double tap tab to like autocomplete.
Oh.
So you do that 3 times, and it'll put into chat the coordinates of the block you're looking at. Then you can just like shift arrow key over to the beginning and copy it,
Interesting.
even though it doesn't highlight it.
Huh, that's kind of cool. I didn't know
Yeah.
it did it for where you were looking. I thought it was where, kind of where you were just standing.
Yeah, me too, till I saw someone else do it.
Okay, so it's /clone 142161527 142161527 14206452527.
He's talking in code.
I am. Okay, was there anything else in this clone command?
Just the 3 sets of coordinates.
Okay, and then how do I delay it? Delay on ticks down here? So like
Yep,
20
it's-
is a second, so like
600 seconds or something like that. 600 ticks or
600 ticks.
1,200 ticks is a minute, I think. I mean, there's no way.
Yeah, we don't need it to be that much. So maybe 2,400. No, that's still a lot. 10,000 ticks. That's a lot of ticks, right?
Yeah, if you wanted to get more complicated too, you could have it like test for when the hopper is empty, then trigger the command block to clone the filled hopper up to it.
I think that's too much work. So restock, repeat, unconditional, always active, right?
Unconditional, always active, no redstone. Repeat. Yep, looks good.
Unexpected. Oh, I shouldn't include the slash in my clone.
Expected at /clone.
It didn't like the slash, I don't think.
The slash should be fine. And one thing you can do is you can just get rid of the delay to test to make sure it works, or put the delay to like
No,
20 ticks or something.
no blocks cloned.
Yeah, it doesn't say any blocks are cloned, but the inventories are still cloned. So now go check your hopper up top.
So I'm just going to take these away. Pretty sure it wasn't stocked, but... Okay, it's empty at this point. Okay, remind me again, Beta, what you say. There's nothing better than cheese nips. Whatever you do, do not put cheese nips in the up snacker. The result might be too powerful. That works for me. It's not exactly how Beta talks, but... it'll work. We need a table. Okay, so I'm going to add some things to the to-do list because we are getting to the point where I'm wrapping up stream here. So add Jones Soda as coal. Finish smoker texture. Voice lines for Beta. House for David and Essie. Voice lines for David and Essie. Cheese nips as meat. Program Beta to give meat. Sound right? I think that's
Sure.
right. Okay, well, so you know what? That actually took care of a problem that I was thinking about that we had, but I hadn't really given any thought, which is we also didn't have food in the game.
We had carrots.
True. I suppose that could have worked too for players. But this is better food for players. This is Dot's Pretzels. So, there's that.
Coal is more Christmassy. Yeah, then you have like a coal mine. You have to go mine coal for all the naughty people.
I mean, if you can think of a way to implement that between now and next Friday, we'll make that happen. But I don't know how you'd implement something like that. We'd have to build a coal mine.
Just find a cave and randomly set some stone blocks to coal blocks.
What would the end goal be, though? Because anything in Santa's Village is kind of like a mini game, free for all type thing.
Just to get coal for the furnace.
Oh.
And like, where do you get the cheese nips from?
So instead, Beta would have to give you a pickaxe and cheese nips.
Or maybe you go talk to the Eloise's candy shop or something to get the raw pretzels.
You can get cheese nips and coal from the Bad Kids coal mine.
Like a cheese nip ore that drops cheese nips.
We'll see how much time we have on Sunday night. If we can get that far, I think I'd like to get at least the basic mechanic of the texture and stuff in. But yeah, getting the, I don't know. I gotta send a note to
And then
Strawberry.
you add a cheese nip mini boss.
Another fight the Wither.
Shoots cheese nips at you, and it's got to be Kirby, and then
How are you joining my world? As like a friend? Because I'm not in the realm.
yeah, you show
yeah,
up
you
as
are.
joinable friends.
Yeah.
Scope creep.
Yes, it is
Yeah,
scope
just
creep.
push the scope back.
Hey, we still have a deadline of the 24th. I see you, Savage. You figured out a way in. Yeah, this isn't a realm. This is
You see?
this is my own server at this point.
So if you just push the scope back just a little bit, then we'll have like a whole year to work on it.
Yeah, no. If we're so here's the thing. I'm thinking we finish the adventure map in the next however long that might be. Christmas. And then once the adventure map is done, then I'm going to play some other games for a little while, maybe on stream every now and then. I might still play Minecraft, but I might go back to the Skyblock. I'd like to play on emcot. I'd like to maybe see what kind of mods we can add to emcot. Things for like, what am I trying to say? Things for like, adding a roller coaster mod so that we could like program in a route for the boats. Yes, Among Us is tomorrow night, 9:00 Central.
Like 26 hours from now. Set your timer.
Yes, be there early. Make sure you get a spot. Plus, we didn't have very many people last week. I don't know what that was about. Or I shouldn't say that. We had plenty of people. It just took a while for everybody to get there. It helps when everybody's here right at the beginning. But
Maybe if we get a bunch of people, we could try the proximity thing again.
we could maybe try it again.
Maybe.
The other thing I'd love to try is playing with Link or LXJag. I'll have to get it on the Switch though if we're gonna do that. Yeah, it'd be.
Is it on the Switch?
It is supposedly on the Switch. I have not bought it yet.
It is
but
now.
I have not tried it yet. Could maybe look at playing World of Warcraft. I could see maybe doing that. I gotta make time, it sounds like, to record here too with Rich and Cheesy here soon. I'm hoping it's gonna be another Civ-like game, if not Civ. At least I was getting questions about it in chat from a friend of ours yesterday. So So I'm going to have to make some late night time for that in the near future. Did what work? You were here. I saw you. You're right there.
For a split second.
No, he's still here.
Oh, okay.
You want to play GTA? Well, it's definitely an option. I don't know what you're stuck on, Savage. I see you standing right there.
Maybe it has to download the texture pack.
Shouldn't say locating then. It should be downloading. But I got to get going. I probably already missed kickoff and probably 8 touchdowns, all for the other team. So there's that. Sorry, Savage. Just keep trying the realm. The realm should work the same way.
Next time.
Next time. This is
The realm is up too.
This isn't even a world you can play in. I'll leave this open so that you can keep trying to get in. I won't close the world. How's that sound? I won't close my account.
But anything you do on there is not going to get saved.
This is true. This is not the actual realm. It's just my dev world. We gotta rate somebody. Who's streaming tonight? Let's see who we've got to raid. Stick around for the raid. You get some bonus pretzels, and who knows, maybe one of these days I'll put a reward worth having again, like do something worth clipping. That was a good idea for a reward.
That was a good one.
I ended up really wet with that idea. But I will
It's alright.
You disappeared? Yes, you did.
Some people.
I'll leave it up though so you can keep trying, Savage, because I'm not gonna be on. Oh yeah, I gotta play Subnautica too at some point. I should go buy that. And I gotta play the other game that I think I'm going to stream some night when I don't have anything else to stream and nobody wants to play games with me. I'm going to stream, I got to stream Silverdown's game, but I also have, that'll save for a night we're all here. But, what's the other one we've been talking about in chat? That's the sequel to the Moon. I want to do that in a single sitting.
Speed run.
It won't, and not a speed run, but like To the Moon is like a 2.5 hour game, if I remember correctly, 3 hour game the last time I played it, and I'm betting this is too. And what is with everybody wearing Mario hats? Everybody has a Mario hat. Like, there's a Luigi hat, there's a Mario hat, and it's on my here. I gotta show you guys this. This is crazy. Look at this. This guy's wearing a Mario hat. This guy's wearing a Luigi hat. You see that? And it's recommended to me. It's like Twitch knows who I am. I don't understand.
You had a good idea, and they're taking it.
Is that what it is? Do these people watch me? I don't think they do. They're bigger than me.
They must.
They're more popular than me. Is this the... And this is Mario Kart Live Home Circuit. That looks kind of cool. I didn't put that on my Christmas list. I should have put that on my Christmas list. That would have been a good gift for my godson. I wasn't thinking about it. Okay. Do you want... You guys want more Minecraft content? Or do you want... Metroid... Dungeons and Dragons... The Dungeons and Dragons may not be extremely family friendly. You want Minecraft content? Minecraft content it is. Be kind to this guy. He's rated us once before. He is not a member of Family Friendly Live, but he is indeed family friendly. Be kind. Be nice. And we'll be back here tomorrow night, 9 p.m. Central Time for some Among Us. So join us, please. We'd love to have you, Rich and Cheesy especially. I would love for you to come and murder me, tragically. So with that, have a great night, everybody, and stay healthy and stay safe. Bye now.